This is one great looking for Escape. An Automatiac 5.6XLT with great extra features like leather seats and a power sunroof. Of course you get all the features that you expect like power windows and lock S, keyless entry and cruise control, alloy wheel and more. Very clean car with a very clean history report. Never smoked in and garage kept. Roger BC Mazda, serving the Austin area for over 40 years. Do you have a trade-in? We would love it. Do you need help financing? We have great options for everyone. Call Joe Mullins for your free history report. Automatic transmission 512-574-4462.